How to fix linking Instagram to Facebook Messenger not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix linking Instagram to Facebook Messenger not working. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that we're going to try is to check if our Instagram and Facebook Messenger is up to date. So to do that, let's just visit our app store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store. And first, let's search for Instagram if it is up to date. So as you can see, this update button that is showing means that my Instagram is currently outdated. So just click on the update button so that you'll be updating it. And let's also check if our messenger is up to date. So just search on it. And as you can see right here, it says open. That means that our messenger is currently up to date. So assuming that I'm now done updating my Instagram and Messenger app, the next way that we're going to do is to visit Instagram first right here. So I'm just going to go back to help you navigate. So let's just go to our profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Let's click on these three dash lines at the top right corner and click on settings. So from here, you might have an option that says update messaging or something like that. It is usually above follow and invite friends, so you may want to click on that. So I don't have it currently since I have the updated messenger linking, but if you have that, you can click on that. However, if you don't have that, you can check through this account center option right here that can be below the about option. So let's just click on account center. And let's click on our profiles right here. And here we are going to check if our Instagram is linked to our Facebook Messenger. So as you can see, it is not linked to my Messenger app. So you just click on add accounts right here and set that up. And you can click on add Facebook account over here. And like that, it will automatically show your Facebook profile. Just click on continue if that is the correct profile that you want to link with this Instagram. Just click on add once again. And set other things as you prefer. And as you can see, this is now linked to my Messenger account. So you can also do this by checking on the Messenger app itself. So I'm just going to open it and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on account settings right here. And you can also actually access the account center from this page. So just scroll all the way down and click on account center once again. And it will show a similar page like on Instagram. And just check if everything is linked as you desire. So that is how you can basically fix linking Instagram to Facebook Messenger not working.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.